HP 678 Black Ink Advantage Cartridge, CZ107AA. Color type, black. Page yield, black and white, up to 480 pages. Compatible with HP Deskjet Ink Advantage printers of the following models: 1015, 4645, 3545E, 3548E, 4515E, 4518E, 1515, 1518, 2645, 2648, 2515, 2545 and 3515E. Available in Combo Pack Cartridge, 480 black/150 tricolor page yield, Twin Pack Cartridge, 960 page yield, Standard Pack Cartridge, 480 page yield, Standard Pack Cartridge, 150 page yield. Over 4.7 billion plastic bottles. Kept out of landfills by upcycling them into new HP ink cartridges. HP ink cartridges contain more than 45% recycled plastic on average. Fade-resistant prints that last for generations. Vibrant color and rich blacks. Odorless and water-based inks for indoor air quality performance. Peace of mind. Designed to work the first time, every time. 64% of tested non-HP inks failed during use of right out of the box. Original HP inks print more than 2x the pages than non-HP inks tested. Why originals? Keep your memories alive. Print fade-resistant photos and documents that last generations. Prints you can take pride in. The choice you can trust, help avoid frustrating reprints, wasted supplies, and delays. Choose original HP ink cartridges, designed for reliability and consistency the first time, and every time. Recycled content matters. By manufacturing new cartridges from returned HP cartridges and other plastics, HP contributes to a circular economy. Over 82% of new original HP ink cartridges contain recycled content. Reliability you can trust. Up to 64% of tested non-HP inks failed out of the box or prematurely. Get this product at lowest price. Link in the description. And also request you to subscribe, like, comment and share. Disclaimer: approximate average based on ISO/IEC 24711 or HP testing methodology and continuous printing. Actual yield varies considerably based on content of printed pages and other factors. For details, see hp.com/go/learnaboutsupplies.